Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily create layers in Elements. Many commands automatically create layers from selections when you use them. You can also create blank layers and then add content to them. To create a new blank layer, click the Create a New Layer button in the Layers panel, or select Layer, New, Layer from the menu bar. If you choose the former option, it instantly creates a new layer with a default name in the Layers panel. If you choose the latter option, it launches the New Layer dialog box. In this dialog box, type the name for the new layer into the Name text box. If you check the Use Previous Layer to Create Clipping Mask checkbox, you will create a clipping group in which a group of layers is constrained to the boundaries of a base layer. Clipping groups will be discussed in upcoming lessons. To apply a color coding to the new layer that appears in the Layers panel to help you organize your layers, select a color from the Color dropdown. Then set the desired blending mode for the layer by using the Mode dropdown. Then use the Opacity drop-down slider to set the layer's opacity percentage level. If you selected a color mode from the Mode drop-down that lets you fill the layer with a color mode neutral color, and want to do that, check the Fill with Color Mode Neutral Color Name of Color checkbox, where color mode is the name of the color mode, and name of color is the name of the color used to fill the layer. To create the layer when finished, click the OK button to add the layer to the Layers panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.